Just look at this. Pause for a moment and observe the sky. This is not a movie scene. This is not computer graphics. This is real. Real sky, real technology, real China. Thousands of drones moving together with perfect timing, perfect design, and perfect control. Honestly speaking, no other country in the world can even imagine this level of coordination. When a country can control thousands of flying machines together in the sky, just think about the level of development on the ground. Roads, infrastructure, technology, planning, public healthcare, everything operates at a very advanced level. And this development is not limited to drone shows only. This same level of advancement is clearly visible in medical education also. Yes, I'm talking about medical universities in China. Modern hospitals, huge patient flow, advanced medical equipment, and highly disciplined education systems. In actual, the clinical exposure in China is far more higher than any other country. Yes, it is far more developed than the US too. Now, many of you have already seen those developments in our other videos. Those who have not seen are requested to see our Omkar Medicom YouTube channel, where we have more than 950 videos till date. That is why serious and focused Indian students are now choosing China for MBBS. Not because of hype, not because of trends, but because of infrastructure, safety, and real academic environment. Now visualize the larger side of this event. A country that can organize such large-scale technology shows with such perfection and safety naturally builds world-class systems in education, healthcare, and research as well. Today you are watching a celebration in the sky. But behind the celebration, there is discipline, planning, engineering, and long-term vision. And that vision is reflected in their universities, hospitals, and student life. That is exactly why we always guide good and serious Indian students to choose government medical universities in China for MBBS. Because development is not just what you hear. Development is what you see with your own eyes. Thousands of Indian students are already studying safely in China, in a highly developed academic environment. And throughout their journey, from admission to graduation, Omkar Medicom stays with them at every single step. Watch the rest of the video while I, Dr. Shamik Majumdar from Omkar Medicom will leave now. This is only a small part of the actual video. Someday, I will upload the full video. While watching this video, think logically, observe globally, decide wisely. China is not just showing the future, China is already living in the future.